Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to make your own extra whitening body shower gel. So without wasting much time, we'll just straight into today's episode. The first thing you'll be needing to make your extra whitening shower gel is your glutathione strong body wash. Yes, that shower gel alone is a very strong body wash and would give you that light out skin within 1 week or 2, you understand. But to further get a beautiful result from this, I've given you some other things that you can add to it that can make it give you at least 3 to 2 shades lighter, you understand. So the next thing you'll be needing after the glutathione strong shower gel is your golden skin shower gel. Golden skin shower gel as well is a very good shower gel and a strong whitening shower gel. After that, you go ahead and add glycerin. You add 100 ml of glycerin. Yes, 100 ml of glycerin. After that, you go ahead and add your whitening oil. The first whitening oil you'll be needing is your lemon clear serum. Lemon clear serum is a very good serum to add to your shower gel or your lotion to give it that extra whitening effect. And you also be needing your toilet serum. After that, you also be needing your whitening ampoules. This is going to give it a further effective result, you understand. The next thing you'll be needing is your propelling glycol. No matter what you're doing, even if it's whitening cream, lightening cream, hot caramel chocolate cream, anything, shower gel, body wash and all that, always remember to add your propelling glycol. Propelling glycol helps stuff penetrate into the skin, like help products penetrate into the skin. So for further penetration, you'll be needing your propelling glycol, just 2 tablespoons of your propelling glycol. And the last thing you'll be needing is your fragrance. You can add your fragrance, and if you're fine with the smell the shower gel will give you, then you do not need to add the fragrance. This is a very simple recipe, but yet a very good and extra effective whitening shower gel. You definitely want to give this product a try and let me know how it went. If you've watched my video to this extent and you've gotten a value from it, please kindly subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified each time once I drop a new video. So before saying bye bye, we do online training for beginner class and advanced class. Yes, we do beginners class, advanced class. So if you are yet to know anything about skincare, you like to vent into skincare, you want to know about skincare, you want to learn full detail, no skipping recipe, this is full detail, something you can use to start your own business and get a very good customer from it. We do online skincare training for beginner and advanced class. Advanced class is solely for people that already know about skincare, that are already in skincare line, they know how to do it, or they are already a business owner, a skincare business owner, but your recipe are not as effective as expected. It's not giving your customers the results they want, you understand. You further want a recipe that once you use it for your customers, they come back with a lovely result for you, then you definitely want to come for our advanced class. Yes, please note that our advanced class is only for people that know about skincare, because it is not much of explanation. It is basically about recipe. We are just going to be giving you recipe, because that is basically what you need to give your customer that desired results they want from it. So until next time, see you guys in my next video. Bye, peace out.